Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Can you hear it? Because I sure can. This is a countdown before Christmas. And for all of us, we're too busy to be ahead of schedule. There's hope. Truffle, coquembouche, nougat are great holiday treats, but they take time to make. Here's one that will make you look good. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make Mendiants. I would say it's probably the fastest confection recipe out there. These French chocolate treats are so tasty. The beauty of these little guys is they are a blank canvas that you can add the toppings of your choice to make them festive. So my friends, let's get cooking. Before we start melting the chocolate, we'll have to make sure our toppings are ready to go. I went for coconut flakes, some gold dust, I love that stuff, then cranberries, pistachios, candied citrus peels, pepitas, and rose petals. It will be so pretty by giving a nice contrast to the chocolate. Another ingredient that should be on your list, doesn't matter what you choose, is fleur de sel, which is a very fine salt, and by adding just a small amount, it will wrap everything up so beautifully. Alright, so we'll go ahead and add a little bit of water to a saucepan before placing our bowl on top. It's important that the water doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Just a drop can seize the chocolate, okay? So we'll start the heat on medium until it just starts to simmer before adding 6 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low and stir often until the chocolate is all melted. You'll see, it won't take that much time, maybe 5 minutes. When it's all melted, we'll add our remaining 2 ounces of chocolate and stir again until melted and smooth. Without waiting any further, we'll spoon the melted chocolate and form rounds with it by using the back of the spoon to spread it out. I'm using my macaron mat. It's easier that way. Then we'll add our toppings. We want to add them ASAP. As the chocolate cools off, it'll get harder and the toppings won't stick to the surface. You'll have a good 10 minutes to decorate them, so don't panic, but work quickly. Before transferring to the fridge, don't forget to add a tiny little bit of fleur de sel. After you try one, you'll understand how nice it is to add a baby pinch to the Mendiant. And my friends, these are our Mendiants. These little guys are colorful, tasty, and so festive. As you saw, it only takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. Pretty quick, right? If you haven't made any holiday treats yet, this is the perfect recipe to start with. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!